Example 3. The following geometric series is given. Write the series in sigma notation. Calculate the value of Sn. Solution. Recall the sigma notation. There are 35 terms in the series, so we know the starting point and the stopping point. We need to determine the nth term of the geometric sequence. Recall the general formula for the nth term of the geometric sequence. Since we know the first 3 terms of the geometric sequence, we can calculate r. Substituting the values of a and r in the nth term, we get. Therefore, the series can be written in sigma notation as, since 13 is a constant that is not dependent on the index I, this can also be written as using the formula for geometric series, we get, substituting the values, since 5 to the power 35 is a very large number, we can express the final answer in exponential form.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.